All right, so let's see how these squares work. So you see in this case, I have a 2 by 2 large square, A, B, C, and D. Take a look at the edges of each square. Each one has a couple of problems and a couple of answers. So what you're going to do is you're going to be turning the squares around to match up the problems and answers to get another 2 by 2 square. Now, to turn this around, click on the gray area inside of one of the squares, and then take that little circle and start just turning it around. And take a look at this bottom one. The bottom number is always going to be the one that looks right side up. The top number is always going to look upside down no matter how you twist this. And the two sides are always going to look side to side. So the bottom is always going to be facing out of the square, right? So now I've got to take a look and see what works. So here, let's take a look at this A. Here I have a 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? It's 3. So I'm going to look for a 3 in my other letters. There's no 3 there, no 3 there, and no 3 there. That tells me that 7 minus 4 is very likely going to be one of the edges that doesn't match up. I'm going to look at the other problem. On this side, I see a 1 plus 1, which is 2. Do I see a 2 anywhere? Yes, on C, the top, there's a 2. So I'm going to twist my A until that 1 plus 1 matches up with 2. Now I see a 5 right here. Is there anything that's going to be equal to 5? Well, there's a 9 minus 4, so let's flip that around until the 9 minus 4 matches the 5. Well, that doesn't match. Got to flip it one more time. There we go. And now all I have to do is figure out what goes where with the D square. So here I have a 10 minus 6 on that C. What is 10 minus 6? It's equal to 4, which is here on the bottom. So I need to twist this so it's on the side and it's going to match up. If I bring this back over here, let's check all of them. 9 minus 4 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 5 minus 2 is 7. The outside edges were ones that don't have any matches. And so now you've created a new 2 by 2 square where all of the edges match the problems with the answers. Now you will try it with a small 2 by 2 square and a larger 3 by 3 square. Good luck.